Alright, this is the Fanuc Robodrill Alpha-T21iD drilling and tapping machine, serial number P038UN217. Has 20,000 RPM spindle, fixed Fanuc 16iMB controller, big plus tooling, coolant through spindle, and there is a coolant system, although it isn't out here at present.
Alright, hey, we can open the door and just take a look around here. I've got it closed off right now, so let's get in there, take a look through it, front control.
Side, yes.
Go ahead.
I was just saying the side door is off for the video, or the side window.
I left the Z pretty far down just to get a look at things. We'll come around, take a look at everything, come on back and play with it a little bit.
Okay.
What else we got? Yeah, the door, like you say, side door is open. You kind of look through here. I've got two tools in there at 5 and 16 positions just so we can play around and do a tool change. Not much else going on over here other than the cabinet itself. Some of the air package, oiler over on this side, coming around to the back end, more of the air package, and of course, switchgear cabinet. Kind of open this up. PCB unit and breaker unit down here, and PC breaker, yeah. Fanuc controller, I've got 220 temped in right here, coming into the disconnect. And like I said, air package down below.
All right.
So anyway, for playing with most of this, I have to close the door, so if you want to shoot from here or walk around the side, we'll do spindle first, and maybe play with the axes, and then a couple tool changes to wrap it up. That's pretty much most of what happens up here. So we'll close this up, give it our message. We're clean here. Back to position, what I say, spindle. I've already got a program for like 14,000. It'll do 20. I just hit it mid-range and then use the override to get below and above it. So I'm at 50% of 14. So we're just going to start right off at 7,000 and just work it up and down a little bit. And you pretty much hear what's going on here. So in jog, we're good to go here. Spindle on, everything's happy. And that is 7, like I said. It sounds nice. And again, I can go up or down with it. There's 55. I've been running it for a while, so I don't mind taking it up there for a minute. It's pretty warmed up. Good 45 minutes. I've been running it down at 3,000 or 4,000. So going up a little bit. Kind of watch the big numbers here. 7,000. As soon as the compressor shuts off, we'll go a little bit higher. There's 8. Take it up some more. 11. 13, yeah. Sounds good all the way up. Now we're at the override. We're past 100% of course, but no problem. 18. Back to 100%, which is my 14.
It's great.
Yep, it all works. 100%, we'll shut it off. That's good there. In no particular order, I play with the axes here. Here's X, jogging. I'm not gonna go above 50% on the rapid because the machine's on blocks and it's so quick. It just wants to run away from me. So we can do a little bit of this just to kind of look and get a feel for what we got here. If I don't over travel. I've already homed it, so it'll be a soft over travel if I do. That's X, and here's Y, of course. And Z up. That's the 3. And
Let me do them from the side too.
want to do this a few more times? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll do X, Y, Z again.
Okay.
You good?
Yep. Okay.
And the tool change. I'm just going to jump right into my number 16 here. Give you a second and give you the MDI. And we're ready for 16. Let's go grab that. If I get it to program mode,
You did the same thing on the last machine.
I always do. I never look at the screen.
All right, let me get a picture of where you're at here.
What's standard MDI? T16.
All right, so you just go, okay, go ahead. I'm going to stand here.
And then the other one's in 5, so... Alright, and of course you can just do a single right off the button here too. One more.
I'm going to walk around the side.
I'll do a couple of those. Kind of well. Even when the Z's all the way down in manual mode, I can do a tool change and do a shoot like that. I'm just going to do a single station. That station should shoot like that. There we go. And back to 16 one more time. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, that's what the machine does. 3-axis, 21 station tool changer, and the 20,000 RPM spindle. That's about it.